Hello everyone! A video captured the moment a freight train derailed in Los Angeles. One of the sights in Vietnam's capital is a narrow street lined with old houses where trains still pass through. In July 2020, everyone in Germany saw images and videos of a burning train. The maintenance locomotive was running without a driver when it suddenly caught fire. There was no one to stop the train, so it continued on its way until it reached a service station.
Schadstoffklasse.
After heavy rains in August 2024, 50 kilometers of railway tracks in the city of Pecana were submerged. The downpour was so intense that the water level nearly reached the platforms.
Holy he just got destroyed and it's derailed now. Holy got destroyed. Oh great, now I gotta stay in my car.
In November 2020, New Jersey was hit by powerful storms. The winds were so strong that they tore down power lines, caused short circuits, and disrupted railway operations. This market in Bangkok is famous for its unusual location. Stretching over 100 meters, it sits right next to the railway track, with the food stalls almost touching the rails.
Bo się film nagrywa, pewnie na YouTubie będzie.
The train driver couldn't resist showing off the capabilities of the vintage locomotive and sped through the station at 201 kilometers per hour, well above the speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour. Indian trains keep running even during floods. The only question is, how do people get off at the stations?
Seven rail cars tumbled from the tracks above in the worst train accident within city limits in decades. Fortunately, the cars held nothing more dangerous or volatile than dog food and mouthwash. But as cleanup crews began the daunting. Now, Norfolk Southern not only owns the train, but the tracks themselves. 80,000. There was additional damage.
It's a miracle the tram hasn't derailed on such crooked tracks. Operating a steam engine isn't as easy as many people think. In the past, it took two people, a fireman and an engineer. One would throw coal into the furnace, while the other would open the regulator at the right moment to release steam and control the speed with heavy levers. The railway in Devon, England is considered one of the most scenic as it runs along the coast. No matter the weather, the view from the train is breathtaking, and during storms, the waves even crash against the train. In Japan, the flow of people in the subway is so intense that there's a specific job for managing it. An oshiya, which literally means pusher, helps to pack passengers into crowded trains. The modern train got in the way of the operator trying to film the legendary Flying Scotsman locomotive, built in 1923. It's a bit eerie to see a train without a driver, but it feels like an invitation to an adventure.
Looks like another ghost train. And no one's driving. No idea where it's coming from and no idea where it's going. Oh boy.
In California, a special train equipped for firefighting is deployed to battle wildfires. To remove defects, reduce noise and vibrations, and improve traction, specialized trains periodically grind the rails. A single pass is enough for the train to restore the track to its optimal condition. Imagine the expressions on the faces of people waiting for a regular train, but instead witnessing the transport of Boeing fuselages. The first suspended monorail system was introduced in Germany in 1901, but over time this form of transport gained popularity worldwide, eventually reaching Japan as well.
It's another one of those unmanned ghost trains. Don't know where it came from. Don't know where it's going. This time it's in reverse. No one's driving. Like always.
Ice disrupts the proper contact between the wire and the current collector, which is why you often see sparks on icy wires. This train runs across the largest salt deposit in western Siberia, Lake Berlinskoye. Unfortunately, it's not for tourists, as it only transports harvested salt from the center of the lake. If you look closely, you can see salt crystals clinging to the undersides of the cars as a testament to its work. When the locomotive engine starts, the diesel is still cold and doesn't burn completely, producing thick black smoke.
Так, быстро подвязываем токоприемники.
Токоприемники, ребята.
Some dogs are scared of trains, but Dora absolutely loves them.
Take the other side. Quick. Can you see it? Is it exciting? Yeah. You see the train? You see the train? Did you see it?
I hope her owners get her a toy train set.
Like this side? Dora, that side?